Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Jio Fiber router is online and your device is on the router's Wi-Fi or wired network. Once connected, open a modern browser like Chrome or Edge. This gives full Google compatibility. Make sure captive portal prompts are cleared. If a login page appears, sign in with your Jio credentials. After signing in, you're ready to navigate to Google. Or use the browser's Omnibox. This quick check prevents connection blocks and speeds up the search process. Now craft a focus search. Type the main keywords into the Omnibox and use quotes for exact phrases or a minus sign to exclude words. Once results load, use Google's top filters, images, videos, news to narrow content quickly. Click Tools to set a time range or region. If results seem irrelevant, add Cite, example. To limit sources. Make sure Safe Search is set intentionally. Toggling it can remove explicit content or re-enable broader results when you need them. Finish by opening promising results in new tabs so you can compare sources without losing your search context. Once done, refine queries with additional keywords or use Google's related searches at the bottom to expand angles. If pages fail to load or search is slow, clear the browser cache and restart the router. Also confirm DNS is set to automatic. If problems continue, gather simple diagnostics, speed test, router LEDs, device Wi-Fi status, and contact Jio support with those details for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.